Well, I know ponies that you guys. So for today's video, we have Queenie, and she's truly heartbroken. You know, love is a dangerous thing, and it is clear that she's in love. She did a 2-hour live. I couldn't upload 2 hours, but however, here's a snippet.
Talking under ignorance, and talk calm and collective. As you all know what happened with me and my husband, and I might not know the full depths, but whatever is the depths is happened. Me a human and Dewey a human in it. We're married together and we're supposed to build together. When everything happens, we're supposed to work together. From the 31st of March, this is getting beyond a fucking joke. Now, do we take my car and him take my car key gone to Canada with it? Queenie, calm down, calm down, calm down. Whew. Calm down, calm down. Smile a while, Queenie. Get back your smile. It's not the end of the world. Smile. Some people just don't understand themselves. Alright. When you're married to a man or a woman, them say half a year is a half for the person. But not in a demanding, oh, do it. You don't deserve no half. You need, if you forget half of the car, you're supposed to go to court. The car is not in your name, that is one. Away from that, the liberty where you take the car and go in Canada, carry the car key go to Canada and let the car park up. Then you take the Royal Rental page, you change the name and upon it a Browse Girl. Yeah, I put Samantha top class, Bima. BMW car we shop at Canada. Do it. The fact that you lock down for me and go in America and go with my car, me can't get up every day and stay silent in the car. Right now, the people them call me for them rental for the 4th of October where them pay me them money, you know. A whole heap of shit you put me in. So if you have Samantha, we keep Island Beauty the 16th of July, Queenie, calm down. The 16th of July was Island Beauty. And Samantha called me and said to me, say, Pan do it phone, and said to me, say, Queenie, you never answer your phone it for when me a message. You not know, say, Samantha and do it a fuck out blood clot and suck a lick and a bite them one another. So me the fool, do the contract with her. She said to me, say, Queenie, me want do it come to Canada. The people them not book do it, but me put do it, me want do it put forgot on the right name. The bookings, bearing in mind, I already have an application for Canada before this Island Beauty event. One where my name Connection Boss as well was the next one, but don't confuse the thing. So my point is, this lady from Arlene, from 2022 April, the lady sending me and do an application for come to England. Top class Samantha now we have my husband in England with Canada. Queenie, calm down now. Abandon me with my husband. I say you're doing manager and put doing a hotel, a fuck, a suck, a lick and a bite and a their Canada class me Samantha. Samantha, that's my husband. What I want me, love me, married to me Samantha. If something I'm to do it right now, you can't sign for do it. Me have to sign for do it, so I have to do it attack telling us me abuse him, the big 34-year-old man come March, me abuse him and him afraid of me. Afraid of blood clot when you have me a beat me how much in blood clot time, me and you fight down a black pool how much in time. Do it me can beat you. Or my bad and rough. My bad and rough. So at the end of the day I would manage myself. But Samantha, me don't know if a clout you look from me or you think so you can't get do it because doing a loyal to no blood clot body. And do I use you and you use blood clot do for bantan me. But that is not my problem, you know, Samantha. You know my problem? My fit, my underfit to do with take and care Ghana. The car key when take and care Ghana. Canada. And the whole on a pump and price the man I tell say, me abuse do when me have a dent up blood clot face. And 2 weeks after me come out to hospital Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So Friday, I spend 5 days in the hospital. I'ma come out to calm down the Queen. I'ma come out the Friday. When I come out, I said to do is do more and go Portland or St. Thomas. Me not stay at Portmore. Cause what do we do? Do we mix up himself in a Portmore? What do we do? Do we have everyone of my friend them number and my people them number? And behind my back you make beer link. Do it? Me a name and shame you do it. You're too out order. You see you, Samantha? God go with you. Because I can't believe say you book me for come to Canada. And behind my back you know so you do it a fuck every time you're up on Queenie. You never can answer your phone. You never do it. Me I forgot you. I know. I'm going to find out so you say from when you do it a fuck. And me can't stop you and do it. Samantha, me no want to stop you and do it. Come let me tell you something. Do we come over here, come destruct me. And tell me, say, girl, I stand for the breed for him and tell him, say, him could have been get him stay a long time. And because him be a Jamaica waste time with me, well, do we get him stay for come to England and travel 15 times in a 1 year and 6 months. Go all over the world. And you, Samantha, I got to take my husband, influence him for come to England and a class me, Samantha. Samantha, tell the man to give me my car key. I and him live happily ever after. This is an advantage. This a bomber pussy blood clot. Top class Samantha. Take the man and make the man give me my blood clot something. Me not wicked more than nobody else. Me not doing no wickedness. You know what I do it top me in my blood clot face. Let me tell you now again. Do is a womanizer. Every woman take do it for idiot. Me agree with do it, do it, sir. Sometimes I say do it. Don't be common, be popular. Stop chase this girl like a frightened over a woman when you have the greatest woman. Me and do it got Monday, but me not keep it. And when we go check the brethren from we come from America, do a brethren, my brethren. Me see him go on bar. When I go to the bar, I think of the brethren that come from America bar. I'm going to see the girl come up and talk to me. She up on my life. I said she know do it for 10 years and railway, blah, blah. Anyway, I do it. Say to me, say the girl want fuck him a long time, I know her and whatever. So I say, okay. May I sell my soul with this boy much in time enough for me and him live good enough. So I listen to him and I try for be the yam head that I am. Yeah. I not have no more of this. You saw me where I Canada where I tell do things. I may do that Canada with my car key, with my pick the dead money. When me and do gonna Victoria Mutual and Rachel dead. I may ask do it, me say do it. Me not understand the Jamaica figure good. How much money this? I'm going to discover say millions. I'm say alright, since as well the Jeep already, me I go buy a car because the family big. And when the people them come at Jamaica, the whole of we can't hold in that car. Do your name not dep on it. When we are insure it, them say you're too young. Do you 33, I got 34. And you're there Canada, them say you're going to the shop, the silver, name and shame your dirty blood clot. The Sea Queen's poppy show clothes and them put you in at the store. Nobody now wear Sea Queen and pretty. Your dress sense wrong. You're wearing that Sea Queen's jacket, you should have on a plain jacket underneath it. You have on a multicolored jacket and shirt underneath the jacket. So them say, do it or Samantha or whoever go to the store will do it, thief something out of the store. And me do we get that from come. Me never care do it, go thief. Me care when me care do it. Me spend money upon do it. Come out of them game them. So you just got Canada and make them put you in a Sea Queens and on top of them put you in a Sea Queens. When you like to come out them say your thief and balling for thief. Alright, that is neither here nor there. Not my problem, them cannot drag allegation because you're a celebrity. Do it. Whether they're Canada and I put up posts and I can say me I got drop down. Do remember me and you drive guy 66 Wilson Street up on London Bridge. So we're gonna get to a visa, do it. That I have Tamanta, TM plus 2 white girl, do it, me say everything. So when I said to your mom the other day after you taught me in my face, I'ma stab you. And she called me and said, crazy, this have to done. Me say, oh that? I'm glad you can see so this have to done when I'm not married to and do it can be man enough to say it done. Now do if you wanna walk away. Me can't force your brother. Me I tell him I'm glad you walk because I said the girl who live 10 minutes from me. We send you the picture we work at Barnet Hospital. Not Barnet, yeah, Barnet. You see that girl there when me go meet the night? And you fuck her, you meet her one time after that, you fuck her. Plus the one with up at Barnet, the next nurse one. Plus the one with the assault. Every minute one girl breed. And none of the baby them you can't say, no DNA. Now tell me I all fool? So when me and do it, I need the blood clot tree now. I want a story, you know. When we got Mandeville in at the club now and him say, this girl I say she rich. She play how much in Brown Robin. She get 3 million and me not frightened over people think me just did I listen to her. She live in a mansions and the people them respect her at the end of the night. She book her hotel. A 4 win at the hotel, 3 girl and 1 man. So you know the one we are socialized throughout the blood clot night, all the blood clot do we suck off, do we cocky liquor, do we blood clot battle and do whatever them want do. I play a fool for catch blood clot wise come is a old school. Me do a long blood clot rope for hang himself. Cause if I'm doing come out of my house, go chat blood clot. Love sweet, I love hot. Go chat me with tea and done blood clot. Me I say all of the things them. Me have my eye crack because I know it's a long run short catch. But when me see the liberty I eat now, how much man a class me I say me abuse do it. Me asking you something. Me can abuse tough blood clot do it. Me can abuse do it. Do with them ignorant dark blood clot self now. Top class Samantha. Anyway, when the night done now. Remember me go down go to the promotion down what's it called? Down a Mandeville, you know. And I said to the man, say, give Dewey a promotion and make him put it on him page and give him a bring in. The man give Dewey 100 US. And him give me 100 US. I said to Dewey, I'm going to give you the 100 US to put on it for your son. So when we leave that place now, and the girl now we meet at the bar where I do a friend for 10 years. Because when she said to me, say, she not do it for 10 years. Me shock her, I think we just go to a random bar. Then Dewey come in at the bar and him said to me, say, she want fuck me, you know, every girl want fuck you. Marital a celebrity and the queen make you be celebrity. But do it, why you diss me? Why you go Canada in a competition with me? Why you go Canada and I write say this them a drop down over and a banter me when make you reach where you're there? You take on my car, you take the Royal Rental page and you change the name the second time you do it. So do it. With all of me and your investment what me do. You don't think me afraid that you're scared how you do it? Yeah, I can tell people say me abuse you. Me not abuse your blood clot. Me defend my blood clot self do it. But me ask you now when say me not for carry my business come by internet. If the man gone from the 31st of August and if me never go on live last week do it would have said to myself add him on the live, you know. This is a married man, you know. On the live himself add him. I go ball till that kingdom blood clot come cause you know blood clot make my mad do it. And when I add him, the first thing him come and say come take the car, now get no car, I shut the fuck up. And the way I'm hanging with me say, wow. Samantha, top class Samantha. When you dig old darling, you dig 2. You see all on the west scoop up blood clot do you Canada and a banter and make God go with the darling. Me not hold no cocky blood clot grudge. Do him first a blood clot cocky can stay. You hear me? Me I talk about dignity and respect and loyalty. Do is like a endless blood clot chicken and it hurt me for some I work so hard. Me spend over 10,000 pounds for the man come to England. In the space that we married March 20th for his birthday. And by September do it 6 months after do it there England. And do it, you work for 4 months and not even a birthday a gift you never buy me December. You have me there a ball. I'm go through all of them to do it. I'm stand by you. I know you take my car key. And then I choke him with go buy one car, do it. Yeah, show me and every minute you show a picture pants. Samantha bantan me. Samantha pussy. We give her a car. You're cocking again a blood clot car do it because you have no loyalty. You run left your blood clot wealth. Figure everybody says something. Do this to me. Yeah, man, my God, you either come a blood clot when I me you want bantan and my career you want end do it. Do it, me want my care. You tell your mother, you know, so me say, me gonna make man kill you, you know. And me say to your mother, say, Odette, I would never say that. I would never want my husband for dead. And you go, you set me up and you play a victim. But do it anything where you want to do. Give me my car key, do it. So the people them call me for their money, they oh, how much wickedness, sir? How much more wickedness you want to do it? And I say, me if I apologize to you, apologize sister about your dirty blood clot, do it. After you just me come out of the hospital, and you hold me and do me, sir, and I punch me and him hold me and him knuckle and him wimp and him and you know, the whole hand I need just said, am I right just swell it up? I'm never do it. Me love you, do it. Do it, me sorry, do it, please. Don't do that when you have forget, regret. Do it. Do it too ignorant. I'm a talk, do it truth and do it still I hold my blood clot. So and when me talk, when my sister do it now, stop flash me. Yes, you might never taught me do it. But the way you have me with a ring, the same ring, where you use and lick out my blood clot flesh, one big piece of flesh, and do it, me take it and hold it and tell people, say, sis, and you come back when I come out of hospital. What kind of hate you have for me do what you can't talk? What kind, when me do you? Then you gonna tell people you're gonna end my career, do you come to me at double tap? Why you wanna done my career, do it? Do more I'm a care, God Almighty know, do your liberty. More I'm a care, do it. You can't, that Canada, freelance and style me. Well, when me and you drive, go with 66 Wilson Street to get visa. And then Samantha get the visa. I know me know you not tell you don't know the woman in Canada was sending for the visa. Cause I know nobody no know her. Are you there Canada? I put Samantha care for mad me. You can't mad blood clot me do it. Me not materialistic do it. But you see what is mine do it? Me put it about God Jamaica this summer do it. If you want to spend 10 years of blood clot Canada, you gotta stay there with my care. Tell me if I'm a liberty this. Tell me to blood clot. Tell me to put some blood clot if me can't stay silent. You understand me? You know call me. Yeah. You know, message me. But as me go up on live, you come. Do we have a mother? You have a mother, do we? You sit down and you may come and mind your dirty blood clot. And when it don't work out, you feel guilty. You be a bad blood clot about the big stinking two white girl you have a Canada, do we? Make them mind you. I make them put in a blood clot job. I have some ambition. Do me want my car key. How the fuck if you take my car key? Gonna can I have your friend them park up my car? Do it. What kind of liberty that? Do if you're dead blood clot? No, or me dead? No. And you have to come forward and you deal with me. But me got center mass as me come from hospital. I walk up and you over me do it. When me over you for do it. Me hardly get fucked from you do it. Cause as the white girl say you come quick do it. You come blood clot quick do it. You have a good fuck, but you come blood clot quick. Do you move your dirty blood clot with your half a quarter blood clot fake fuck? You know much blood clot girl, me sit down and watch a fuck. And then blood clot in the space of 3 minutes. I come and I say, do you for you stop up your car, love blood clot woman. So every time you go up on blood clot, then me want my blood clot car stinking Samantha come suck up my pussy from behind Samantha. Samantha God now sleep it up. You know what hurt me? Oh, Samantha up on my phone now, she want me be my manager and she go do 6 months this and 6 months that. And you know you do a fuck on the blood clot phone. And I cloud me out. And every minute I see me with the girl, I put the do it tell them to Samantha top class. Cause you know me now blood clot keep no secret for you. You know see that Canada for blood clot hide. Go and go show your blood clot location, me make you smell. Shh. Queenie, calm down. Me Queenie make a slide past silver suitcase doing scarlet. And when you come a pin t-shirt for you, I welcome you. The way you're deceiving you for the Canada and I hide your blood clot location because you know your teeth my car do it. You're not gonna be at peace do it. You're not gonna be at peace. So when you did your big friend member, all of who you link and me make you know them do it. And you turn this blood clot me with them do it. A long time you know you're ungrateful but me never want to accept it. Me never want blood clot accept it. But right now do it. Me want me care. Me now calm down. You see what days me calm. And me say God, me no want to go for internet, but me now go sit down and mad. I prefer class to the dirty blood clot and talk my mind. Do it, me want me care. I mean, why you set no blood? Me not set nobody for you. Me I tell you, me why you care. When I tell me come and cut them pen, you're on the 8 man, the 7 man come. You come on the live and hear what you say to me as your wife. Why me never step to you? I say, doing me with your 7 man. The way you speak about me, the way you speak at me, why me never step to you, me a woman? What kind of competition am I going in with your gunman blood clot friend? So what you not going to make your friend them shoot me do it? You understand me, the liberty? And when me hear the youth come for the line, me I say, whoa, you're gone 16 days now, and you have the decency for call me. But you can't see me for live and message me, tell me, add you. And then when I add you, you start angry me like a piece of shit. Samantha pussy I got stuck your dirty blood clot. Cause it's God nah sleep do it. So it's Samantha top class will send me the money. And that's why God made me never reach Canada. Island Beauty the 16th of July. That's why God never make me reach cause God says so now play me for a fool. And I see him do it at the whole of the blood clot money when I go collect Western Union. Ask him right there. Ask him right there. And do me shield you. Me cover you. How much you want come and disrespect you do you never defend me. And you gone to Canada. Gone burn bad lamb for me do it. Come on do it, man. Make me get my car key. Me done and move on. Me done. Move on do it. Give me my car key. Me hear somebody that say, me if it move on, me can't move on. The man have my things. The man I play me for a fool. Me work very hard when my daughter at 3. Me want my bank account for her. You hear that? Me want my account for her. God said she dead and her money left. I will use it wisely. Me never use it and worry it do it. Me never use it and go buy pussy or backward or cocky do it. You hear that do it? Do it. Me I beg you do it. Me don't know no man in the world will frightened over girls so to blood clot. That's why I don't want my husband. And the way me there Portmore and do it for a ring. And 6 away in a car, 5 away in a car. And I answer do phone so and the past speaker and the girl said, where girl said? I don't want to tell no lie. Dirty germs. That's what she said. I'm said do it. I say make them talk to you and then when me and you, when you do the things that me cause you know, you're gonna say me and your wife, I'm gonna call your dog and drunk her, you're gonna have me for the you're very small minded do it. So you're gonna Canada for Bantan me and Samantha, but your manager on a not prosper. Remember me tell blood clot to know that on a not prosper me. I want good woman. You know my son me suck 2 other spoon for make my husband reach England for better him life and do it that 1 year and 8 months. Out of the 1 year and 8 months. Ask him how much time him go back to Jamaica, how much time him travel. And you get up and as a young man you have a mother where everything you and your mother harm. God bless your mother, you know. You hear me say, God bless your mother because she can't manage you. Because you diss her, you chat her, you class her. So when you play a victim, do it. God bear me witness, me not tell no lie prior. Mama excited. And to me excited a lot. Me have enough doing Scarlet. Me want my care, brother. Brother, me want my care. Do your little son. Don't go tell you acknowledge your little son. Do it. You're a disturbed young man. You like to run around and sleep in a people's yard and catch you. So do it. Me no want that. Do it. Me work too hard. Do it. I want me say to you, so do it. This after the boy. Before me stab him, I say do it. Me and him hold and I say do it. Don't disappoint me. I work hard. I put a lot of weight in. Come back to England, go to college and build yourself, do it. You can't sit down all day text woman. Every woman DM. Where's something name of them do for WhatsApp? What's it called? Where's something name? WhatsApp story. So I'm watching girl and them put up the Mali along out the tongue and I'm fascinated over Mali girls. I said, do it, but you know, take tap up. And when you fuck, you come quick. In this, the first time do fuck me, him come quick. The first blood clot time when I go and me had him come quick. And from that, him still come quick. Him said to me, say, crazy. Pleasure, pleasure. I say, pleasure, pleasure. When you go buy pussy, as you're going at the pussy, you come. Me and do it buy blood clot. Follow do go buy blood clot pussy. I say, do you come? I say, do you fucking girl already? So we say a blood clot money. Him say, a pleasure. Alright, I'm a young husband. I'm tolerate a lot of shit with him. And you know why I come out, come talk? So much woman sit down in a silent. I hurt a man abusing her. I don't know how much abuse do it abuse me and then play a blood clot victim to me rough, to me loud, to me awful, and to me up on internet I am head and I defend him. Do him I need me care, brother. Who does that? You change me care business, me a business woman, me have my 5 people them do it. Right now, the 4th of October, the woman give me her money. You know why I'm come live? I never remember the woman give me her money. I want to call me a while ago and say, if me I confirm, I say no, do it go with the car, so get something else. And the man said, warm to the deposit. I said, which deposit? The man said, check your account. I said, Jesus Christ, God sermon. Do you my head gone? I'm going to take my mind off my car. But when I look on the liberty of it, you think you're going to hide in a Samantha batty wall and her pussy and her throat wall, do it? Stop class, Samantha. We come. Every day she call me, oh, Queenie, I forget you, but I do me, I forget. That time I know so the girl they not deal with my skin out and nothing blood clot. If I do it, come and carry that to you. But I do it, mother, buy him ticket. No, make no blood clot sense, no hungry and confused and wicked. And you want to tear down me? You want to tear down me after a good thing me never friend for no blood clot manager. So me can't manage do it. Me can't be manager. We came all over the blood clot world, but you gone under Samantha pussy, then me could have want you do it. Samantha, you look like hard blood clot fuck. You look like steel blood clot fuck. I want you, Samantha. Me nah worry if you do it. Cause do you go give where your blood clot look for. Any man where you fuck a blood clot Canada go know where you're up to. Big pussy blood clot. Your pussy big like underneath Queenie. I want you, Samantha. You think you can do it, can't style blood clot me. But I am his manager. And I've been coating. You can do it fuck. You could have fuck suckling car blood clot charm. I want me care. Humanity, our right is right. Our fear is blood clot fear. One nickel piece of tail blood clot boy. When I take up and I come talk about do it, boy. Do it, man. Do it just a blood clot, low self-esteem pussy. We feel like him can anger me for impress the blood clot. Well, do me, I tell you about if me take you, take me back and over them, over you. And you over me dirty blood clot. You have something for me over you for. You shaky blood clot, cocky what you say for you start fuck me, your cocky get big. I want you to do it. Go learn blood clot, man, as I go back in your mama pussy. And go learn, man, as do it. Me no want blood clot you. A long time I left blood clot you know. I've been telling you that you take it for blood clot joke. I come talk about, I'm afraid of my wife. You're not afraid of me. Because you have options. Yeah, I'm not. I got a job make yes, a job give you the visa. You know why God give you the visa and I give me? Because God knows that anyway them I go run you down. Because I'm a woman of my word. I'm married to you. All I want are the comfort to rub my husband. That's all. Everything me make up for me and do it. Because we're husband and wife. If me I do one booking, me say, wanna give do a little something. All if them say no, me share with do it here me. How you come now? I got look at it and I got go up and come on my page, I got tell me. With respect to what woman do it. I'm in a walk and let my body do it. So what you gonna tell me say no? Who cause all of these problems? Are you come in England and I bring in front of my family do it? Me bringing on my home do it. And you come, you chat me pity them with tear. You chat me pity them with one only for somebody do it. I'm still overlook it do it. Me still overlook it cause pussy and cocky your husband and wife. And now when me see you take my car key, when me pity them go to Jamaica, we have to go rent car. No do it not a mama bumper blood clot. Do we got now sleep? Do we got now blood clot sleep? Do you remember you work for 4 months, you know? Every morning me follow you go work in your class, you know, cause you can't get to text the girl in front of me. And I said, do it. You do not understand England. And I'm not working, so I work from anywhere. I'm determined follow you every blood clot month. 1 month I get £400 from you. If you give me 450, you give me 4. Thank God. I never want your money either. Cause me I make money. So I'm just glad say my work. And when he make him little money, him said every time him get him pay, him send it go gizzy. And I feel so nice. I say, yeah man, me make you come and find your work. And you can send a little £300. That £300 him send to give him son. And me never one day sit down. I'm bent and do it. You understand me? Do your man corrupt. Youth, you bite the hands of feed you do it. And you still not reach nowhere do it. You still a encounter Samantha pussy. So you have to run from a woman who you're married to and get a name. And go to a girl where me no know how to meet. Me no know if you used to fuck her before you know me or what. Me no know. More than me, but me I summarize it, you know, when me see the something on the page, me I say, okay, Samantha a manager, but Samantha is a traitor. Because you send money come give me for bookings and say, yeah, manage me. And how much link you get on the people, them and you get all of the booking in Canada and railway, blah, blah. And you know everybody. And when you come over there, you want me and you do a 6 months something. Lo and the ball that you're taming me. So God see all of that. So God see all of that. God not give me the visa because God no want me mix with you, Samantha. So now when me do the maths, Samantha remember nothing can hide. So you see that piece of BMW we do have pretty car eye for do man will fuck you. You hear that? Man with blood clot fuck you because you love sweet. You need to go stand up as a young man to your responsibility. If you are divorced a blood clot woman, you divorce a woman and give her a blood clot can't get what you forget do it. Stop blood clot tarnish me. And make me look like me I want. And where me I go? My pass all where me I go. Queenie shut up. Make me look like me I want mad blood clot woman. I like me not have no body. And I walk and tell people about me car man down a cat them. I'm a batty blood clot man friend. Me come a cat them pen. Move your blood clot, my bad. You think me I like you? I go have gunman for blood clot intimidate. Me not come with no gun. And God was my blood clot gun. Me just come a cat them pen come show and say. And my husband that are no blood clot boy couldn't kick me up field. Cause me not say nothing to no blood clot boy. Where I'm going at the party. I'm stand up and me look. And then I sit down on the blood clot ground. And then I get up and I dance. Do it. Let me tell you blood clot something. Do it. Remember, you first this mean many we a pussy. Remember, the blood clot war start. You hear that? I'm not gonna get up every day and argue with you, but me I gonna say my piece. Remember, you go to the studio and you do a song. When you go Canada, Juju come suck me bleeding blood clot, Juju British. And me I talk so much something I want. And you do the song, and the song say, remember now, you invite your marriage night. Them say do it done, or you're married and not cheat. You tell them say, cut the crap, cut the fucking crap. Girl was suck your cock from whatever. No, that is an insult, Dwayne. That is rude and disrespectful. Because you mention you're married, so you're saying that cut the crap, me don't know for the marriage I cut the crap. So by that, remember Dwayne, the first blood clot time. I want you to do is a song me make for blood clot. I don't have to say nothing more about that. Make rest my peace. That's so let me tell you blood clot something doing. Them draw Batman by your name. And you lie down in the house and you ball. Where Samantha did there? What the rest of blood clot girl in the day now? Me the internet a class and blood clot and me know you're not Batman. As much as me can't stand your dirty blood clot the way your fool man couldn't fuck your bottom and you couldn't fuck blood clot man. But I'm doing Scarlet. And I me will bill you. From not how much girl come a friend and fuck you. And duck blood clot, you don't even have blood clot clothes, do you? Not even look at gratitude, you not show me your gun. I do video and I put Samantha car. Do me want me carrying on my done. Want my blood clot carrying I do it because I set up my blood clot life for me have heart attack and dead, you not do it. Remember you not do it, my face still say not do it. I'm pantapay there Canada, I you know one day me not hear it to big up your wife, you know, when me is possibly not do it. I be a God and Lord and different people and do it. You're a papi show, you're a clown. And your boss say me tell you say you're a clown and you're gonna prove to me a clown, but do your care and blood clot stand by your own. Cause right now Samantha if you pay a hotel fee if you not buy a cigarette and weed, do it. You don't have a blood clot scent. It's a disgrace, do you buy the animal feed you everybody where your friend. You're ungrateful cause when you find other friend you don't remember one set of friend do it. And then you go your boots up the man them and tell them what you have for what you don't have. You don't have fucking nothing doing. Me and you as wife or husband bill. We have a pound account, we have a US account, we have a Jamaican account, JN. We have a pound account of VF Victoria Mutual and a Jamaican national account. No, Victoria Mutual and a Jamaican dollars account. You see, since the 31st of August when me stab him. Remember, I self-defense now. Remember, I just come out of hospital, you know. Remember, I not tell nobody say I do it. So do it to me, I don't tell nobody because when himself go. You hear him come in the life and I say, me tell you if I go hospital. You tell me if I go hospital, the way I'm embarrassed, you tap me in my face. The man have a blood clot ring. So I say, do it. I will never over them over if you make you tap me so cause this can't be real. I say, do me your wife. You can't top me so. Remember before me and Dewey married, you know. When Dewey grab me up, you know. And when Dewey do me know me do them have one TikTok about it, you know. I'm gonna say murder! I'm a ball out, you know. I'm a hold it to my rough, you know, and to my loud and vulgar, you know. I say people sit down, you know, and say me I abuse Dewey, you know. I'm gonna say God, this is what you get for being a soldier, do. Just because I'm rough and my father grew up hard, you know. I'm all certain things I said to a man and to a wife or husband. I'm to see you come and play victim and take my care, brother. What kind of dignity I stand-ify this and that? You move on with Samantha. Remember my thief do a phone, you know. I say all of the Canada girl them, you know. I remember some of them come screenshot. My voice record, me don't know what me not till me can't blood clot bother. Do me want me carry me done. You come for life, come tell me for low you pussy wall. Low you. I'm for blood clot low you. I have my vehicle. I have my vehicle for me. I'm a pit to them, me done. I'm a grand pit to them. Marital blue rental do it. I want you to do it. I mean, you come from Managerial. I said, look a blue car. I said, do it. I want a next look a blue car. Because the big one too big. So the two of them will complement each other, me. I mean, you work it together tip by tip, but you can't get up, do it. You understand? You can't get up. I want me to go bomb a wall, man. I want me to go.